There are a lot of challenges facing the market. I feel the market overall is fairly priced. It's not bargain basement. It's hard to argue, I think, for multiple expansion when interest rates and inflation ultimately have to rise. They're at such low levels that the direction has to be upward, and if it's downward, it's probably not a good thing. So the opportunity for PE expansion, I think, is somewhat limited. The prop to the market is the lack of alternatives. The fact that rates are so suppressed keeps the market where it is. Now, to the extent economic progress worldwide continues to be tepid, there's room for rates to decline further, and so that prop will continue for a while. And it is an attractive investment concept. You know, the notion of buying solid dividend payers with increasing distributions and therefore higher yields in an environment of financial suppression with rates being forced down by central bankers is attractive. But it doesn't allow for PE. So ultimately, earnings have to improve. And we've had, I think now, 22 consecutive quarters where earnings have advanced for the S&P greater than revenues. And I'm a big believer in lean and mean and the ability of incremental margins. But this is getting long in the tooth. At some point, to get earnings gains, the economy has to get better. What's been lacking in terms of getting world economies going, in my opinion, is the absence of fiscal stimulus. We've gotten a lot of monetary stimulus. I think it's going to be reasonably hard for the market to have any kind of impressive gains. I think that my small cap portfolio is basically an event waiting to happen. The valuations are so attractive and the characteristics of the company are so attractive that something in terms of a transactional event or the market really recognizing the attractiveness of the companies is prone to happen. And the way of getting any significant return, I think, is going to be through stock selection. The market overall is not going to provide it, in my opinion. And it's going to be partially through some kind of transactional events.